In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the RANKX function in DAX. The RANKX function is an iterator function, and it's used to rank a set of values. We're going to use the Northwind dataset in this example and focus on the categories and order details table that have a relationship between each other in this model. We're going to first create a table, visual table, and then put category name in that table, and then a measure that I've already created called sales after discount. So you have your sales after discount for every category name. Now we're going to create the RANKX function, or use the RANKX function by showing the rank of the category name by sales after discount. So we're gonna call this cat rank equals rank X, and it's going to ask us for a table that we're going to iterate on. So the table will be categories. Our expression will be the measure sales after discount. So in the categories table, we're iterating with our measure sales after discount. So we're going to complete that measure, put it inside the visual. Cat rank is 1 all the way down. So this is not what we want. And the reason is because in this example, we need to put an all around the categories table. Now we have our rank. So if we sort, we'll see by default it's ranking in descending order. So the highest sales after discount for beverages, it gets a rank of 1, and so on. Let's go back to the function. The way that the RANKX function works is that the first step is it uses the table that you give it to iterate on with the measure, the expression that you give it, to create a lookup table. Then it uses this expression to also uses this expression within to evaluate within the original evaluation context here. And then the third step is it takes the sales after discount that you evaluated in that second step and searches for it in the lookup table that you created in the first step. If you don't put the all there, with the lookup table that it creates without the all, it's going to filter, this category name filter context is going to reduce or filter that lookup table down to 1 row. And so that's not what you want. You want to ignore the filter context in this visual here with the all, so that the lookup table is looking at all the categories with the sales after discount, not with the filter context here to reduce it to 1 row. Another thing you will notice is that there's a 1 in the total, and so this doesn't really have any meaning here. To get rid of that, you can use the has 1 value function. So we'll create another measure here, and we'll call this has rank 2. And we'll start off with the if function, indent to make it a little neater, has 1 value function, and we'll put in category name. And then we'll put the result if true, which will be the RANKX function we just created. So all, because we want to ignore the filter context in the visual. So this all will be, we can either do categories, the entire table, or we can do category name. In this case, it doesn't make a difference. So we will use category name, and then our expression will be that measure sales after discount. Then we'll close out this measure. Put the measure in the visual, and you'll see we have the same rank without that one in the total, which is what we want. So this is how you use the RANKX function. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope this video was useful for you, and please subscribe to this channel.